Have you ever removed a protective style, looked at the hair on the floor, and your heart just dropped because instead of growth, you saw breakage, you saw shedding, you saw shorter hair than before, and then you ask yourself, wait, aren't protective styles supposed to grow my hair? Nobody talks about this part. Today, we are exposing the real truth about protective styles, the things Instagram tutorial stylists and even some influencers don't tell naturals. Because protective styles can either grow your hair like crazy or silently destroy your length while you think you're protecting it. And most naturals don't realize the damage until it's too late. So if your hair has been stuck, thinning, or breaking after braids, wigs, or twists, this video might completely change how you wear your protective styles forever. Stay till the end because I will show you the exact protective styling system that actually retains length, especially for fussy hair. Let me tell you something personal. There was a time I believed protective styles were the solution to everything. Hair not growing, braid it. Hair is dry, install a wig. Hair is breaking, hide it. So I stayed in braids back to back, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks sometimes. I thought I was doing my hair a favor, but when I finally wore my natural hair out, it felt thinner. My ends looked tired and my length exactly the same as the previous year. That was when I realized something shocking. Most naturals are not protecting their hair. They are protecting neglect. And that's the truth nobody says out loud. Section number 1. What protective styles really means. Let's clear something up first. A protective style is not just braids, wigs, twists, cornrows. A protective style is any style that protects your ends, moisture, hairline, scalp health, low manipulation. If those things are not protected, then the style is just a decoration, not protection. And this is where many naturals get it wrong because the internet made protective styling look like install and forget. But natural hair, especially fussy hair, does not survive neglect. It thrives on intentional care. Section 2. The biggest lies about protective styles. Lie number 1. Leave it longer for more growth. No. Hair grows from your scalp, not from the style. Leaving braids for 8 to 10 weeks often causes dryness build-up, tangling at roots, breakage during takedown, growth happened, but retention failed. Lie number 2. Tighter means neater. Tight styles don't protect. They stretch your hair follicles and over time, edges disappear slowly, not overnight. That soreness you feel after installation, that is trauma, not beauty. Line number 3. Your hair is resting. Your hair is not sleeping. Your scalp is alive. Your strands still need moisture, cleansing, balancing. Ignoring your hair inside a style is like wearing makeup for 2 months without washing your face. Eventually, damage shows. Many naturals are tired of trying everything, tired of comparing their hair growth journey to others online. You see someone remove braids and their hair is waist length and you wonder, why not me? But what you don't see is consistency, technique, hair knowledge. Healthy hair is rarely accidental. Section number 3. What actually damages hair in protective styles? Let's talk about the silent killers. Number 1, dry hair hidden under styles. Your hair loses moisture daily. If you only moisturize before installing, your hair becomes brittle underneath. Result, breakage during takedown. Number 2, dirty scalp. Sweat, oils, build up, clogs follicles. This can cause itching, shedding, weak roots. A protective style should never mean avoiding washing. Number 3, neglecting your ends. Your ends are the oldest part of your hair. And when dry ends rub against extension, they split. And split ends travels upward. Number 4, rough takedown. This alone ruins months of growth. Many naturals lose more hair during removal than during styling. Patience during takedowns will give you length retention. Section number 4, the protective style system that actually works. Here is the system that changes everything. Step 1, prep before installing. Deep condition your hair, detangle properly, trim damaged ends, moisturize deeply. Healthy hair before styling will give you success after styling. Step 2, maintain during styling. Every 3 to 5 days, spray light moisture mix. Oil scalp lightly. Massage gently. Every 2 to 3 weeks, clean scalp carefully. Yes, you can wash your braids safely. Step 3, know when to remove your protective styles. Ideal duration, 3 to 5 weeks maximum for most styles. Longer isn't better, health is better. Step 4, gentle takedown ritual. Add moisture first. Finger detangle slowly. Remove shed hair gradually. Never rush this step. Here's the truth most naturals discover late. Protective styles don't grow hair. Healthy habits do. The style is just a tool. You are the real growth system. Once you understand that, your hair journey changes permanently. So tell me honestly in the comment section, have protective styles helped your hair or secretly damaged it? And if this video changed how you see protective styles, type I choose healthy hair. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a natural who thinks leaving braids for 3 months is helping their hair. Because the truth is, your hair was never difficult. You were just never told the full story. And now you know. Thank you.